southern liberty along the front end will be rain and storm potential there into the evening, at which point the disturbance will exit our region. The festival area will remain dry under mostly clear skies with cooler than average temperatures expected. A high pressure will provide dry weather and below normal temperatures on Thursday. An upper-level disturbance on Friday will provide a chance for showers and thunderstorms over northern and eastern West Virginia, as well as central Ohio. Temperatures warm up some for the weekend, with dry weather expected on Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms will return late in the weekend and into the next work week as a cold front moves through. Here is the forecast for the greater Charleston area, issued at 10:36 a.m. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds, becoming northwest around 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds, becoming northwest around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Light and variable winds. Here is the forecast for Raleigh, Fayette, and Nicholas counties, issued at 10:36 a.m. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Northwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Northwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Light and variable winds. The extended forecast for the WXJ84 listening area, Friday and Friday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Showers likely. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows around 60. Chance of rain 60%. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 50%. Now here is the regional climatic report. The following are the low temperatures recorded between 8 p.m. last night and 8 a.m. this morning. For Beckley, 56. Charleston, 60. Huntington, 60. Elkins, 48. For Bluefield, 54. Martinsburg, 48. Parkersburg, 47. At Clarksburg, 49. Morgantown, 48. Wheeling, 48. And in Lewisburg, 56. The following are the high temperatures yesterday. For Bentley, 73. Charleston, 77. Huntington, 80. Elkins, 72. For Bluefield, 70. Martinsburg, 79. Parkersburg, 77. At Clarksburg, 75. Morgantown, 77. Wheeling, 77. And in Lewisburg, 74. Here are the 24-hour precipitation amounts in inches coming at 8 a.m. For Bentley, 0.05. Charleston, trace. Huntington, 0.02. Bluefield, 0.09. And in Lewisburg, 0.02. Now here is this morning's climatic report from cooperative observers within the radio listening area. Low temperatures recorded during the 24-hour period ending near 8 p.m. this morning. Spencer, 45. Sissonville, 46. Winfield, 44. For St. Albans, 50. Marquette, 62. London, 53. For Madison, 50. Somersville, 45. Beckley, 42. For Logan, 57. High temperatures recorded during the 24-hour period ending near 8 a.m. this morning. Spencer, 73. Sissonville, 75. Winfield, 76. For St. Albans, 78. will rotate around our southern periphery along the front and will keep rain and storm potential there into the evening, at which point the disturbance will exit our region. The rest of the area will remain dry under mostly clear skies, with cooler than average temperatures expected. A high pressure will provide dry weather and below normal temperatures on Thursday. An upper-level disturbance on Friday will provide a chance for showers and thunderstorms over northern and eastern West Virginia, as well as central Ohio. Temperatures warm up some for the weekend, with dry weather expected on Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms will return later in the weekend and into the next work week as a cold front moves through. Here is the forecast for the greater Charleston area, issued at 10:36 p.m. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds, heading northwest around 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds, heading northwest around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s.
Well, so at least stage one off. Geez, I wonder if the ER310 activated. Shut up, 257. Well, success, even though I wasn't here.